Oh, what is it?
Potato.
What is it, Marley? Oh, no.
No.
What is it?
No.
What colour is it? And what shape? Can we have a look at this one? Yeah, thank you. What shape is it?
This star.
Red star. Good job.
Sunny. Sunny.
Sunny?
Sunny.
Shiny? It's nice and shiny.
Nice. Sunny.
Nice and shiny, isn't it? Which one next?
That
This one. Open it up. We'll see what's in it. Oh, it's red again. What shape is it?
one. Yes, that one.
What shape's this one? Marley, what shape is it?
This. Hexagon.
That's not a hexagon. What is it? It's got 3 sides. Have a look.
This one.
3 sides. Do you know what it is?
Red star.
Red star. It's not a star. What is it?
Red star.
Triangle.
Big.
Red.
This hexagon.
It's not a hexagon. That's a red triangle. Red triangle. Well, you want to put the other one together.
Hard.
It's a bit hard, is it? Will you open the next one?
What? That one?
Yep, that one. Let's open it up. Oh, what is it?
Yellow diamond.
A yellow diamond. Let's have a look. I think that might be a trapezium. Let's have a look. A diamond doesn't. It has. If the side was going that way, it could be a diamond. But it's actually a trapezium. Yellow trapezium.
Yellow beaming.
That's it. Where's the other half of the yellow? We've already opened that one. Let's do this one. Remember we opened the orange arrow? Wonder what this one is. Oh, it's going under the table. Where are you going?